बाय परिमल, सी यू। मिलते हैं हम लोग मुंबई में। यहाँ पे बढ़ते हैं अच्छे से मालूम।
So that is us departing from Shangad, where we were staying for the last night. This is day 5 of our trip, and we were finally heading to Kasol from Shangad. Coming down actually in terms of elevation. Kasol एक commercial place है, काफ़ी लोग जानते हैं. मैं कभी गया नहीं था, and I really wanted to go over there. That was going to be our base because we wanted to see Chalal. We also wanted to do Malana, Manikaran as well as Tosh. So this is the road trip from Changad to Kasol, which is like 2.5 hours away.
the the best part of driving in Himachal is that you find places like this which are so beautiful, and you have to step out of the car, come experience it, and soak it all in. Let me show you this place. It's fantastic. You can, as you can hear from the sound, there's a water source over here. Yeah. Nice. Nice. There's a Lakde ki pull. I think someone wants a photo over there. So I have taken photographs of all bridges in India. There are people who don't know about bridges and stuff, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. It's all about the game. Believe that I'm on this bridge, dude. Oh, good lord. It is scary. It moves a lot. That. Look at that. I'm on this bridge. Boats. Boats also. Boats and ships boat. क्या नज़ारे हिमाचल के. So guys, these are apple trees, but apples are still not arrived on them yet. Apple का season है in few months. अभी इस पे फूल आएंगे, फूल आके एप्पल आएगा. Look at this orange tree, dude. We're here to see if we can get some oranges, but I don't think so. It's going well. So guys, Parimal went and asked the owner. They've given us permission to go and pluck one orange. Let's go quickly. Hope your dog is clean. Okay guys, plucking one orange. Just one orange. Got them oranges. Mission accomplished. Those are bees over there.
परी क्या है ये?
हनी निकालने का.
आप उंगली डालो ना उसमें.
Check these oranges. Thank you so much. Let's go. Thank you. Beautiful aesthetics, man. Every Himalayan coffee. Go. Wow!
Yes, Kambi.
Momo. Guys, we've reached Kasol, and we were recommended a homestay. Unable to find it, but let's see where it is. This is an adventure, guys. Off-roading adventure. So in the update is that we did not find.
We lost.
We are not lost. We
Totally lost.
couldn't find the homestay, so we'll go and check out another one, which we saw on the way. And yeah, I don't want to cross that Lakadega bridge, not with the car at least. Chalo Delhi. Passage. Oy. Off-roading Pro Max. Oy. Trying our second homestay. This is how we are traveling actually. We don't know where we're going to stay every night. We go explore. If we like the place, we end up staying there. Let's see if this is the room that becomes our room for the next 2 nights. So, this is our home for 2 nights. It's a camp called Chalo Kasol, but we're not staying in the camp, we're not staying in the tent, staying in the family room. I'll show you the family room later, but at this moment, as you can see behind, the luggage is being unloaded, and before the sun sets, हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि जाके एक बार एक छोटा सा ट्रैक करके आए कसौल के आगे एक विलेज है जिसका नाम है तोश. तो we'll try to go trek and come back for dinner actually. Sunset तो वहाँ ही देखना पड़ेगा. Let's go.
Kasol is very commercialized, you know.
So Kasol has become like Lonavala and Khandala.
Ah.
ये हिमाचल का लोनावला खंडाला. हिमाचल का नहीं, दिल्ली पंजाब हरियाणा का. बिकॉज इतने सारे गाड़ियाँ दिख रहे थे जो दिल्ली पंजाब हरियाणा से थे. इनका लोनावला खंडाला इज नाउ कसोल.
We went to Soja and that it's worth it.
It is worth it. So now we are going to Chalal, not Chalana. Chalal village. It's a small trek. So Raju Bhaiya is driving us and we reach there in a bit and hopefully get there before sunset. Hi. So this is the main Kasol town. That's the main market over there. That is Kumar Water Resort. Just kidding. Look at that. This is the main street. आज काफ़ी खाली है because लोग यहाँ से निकल चुके हैं. But फिर भी looks quite filled with shops with stuff to buy like any other bazaar. We are just approaching our point where Raju Bhaiya will drop us and then we'll trek up to Chalal. Alright guys, we're on foot now, ready to trek. Where are we going, Parimal? Which village? Chalal.
Yes, finally got it.
Let's go. That is brilliant. So that is the first bridge done. That wasn't very hard, was it? This feels like we are in RA, walking in RA guest house wale.
Yeah.
We've been training for this.
Oh, that's true.
Oh man, so far so good.
Oh, I can see the 2 chicks.
And some Punjabis. Let's go.
Whatever sound that was pollution.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
It's not lemon, man.
Not lemon. False alert. Omi, as usual, we have Kal Bhairav ji's companions.
भैरव बाबा की जय चले जाओ आगे
Wherever we've gone, huh?
भैरव बाबा की जय
Wherever we've gone.
अरे बोनस साथ में आया तो बोनस के काट के आता है 1 लाख बोनस होता है तो कितना आता है ऐसा
Teen. Apple tree without any apples. I think we're here. Almost. That's the village, I think. Let's go.
5 minutes away from here. It's where Chalal village ends and our trek ends. But if you see, it's getting danger, smelly. So I think we can head back.
I think we should head back.
I'll still go and check.
Check it out.
How
Now. Our Chalal trek ends over here. It's a very commercial place. There are cafes where you get stuff and other stuff. And if that is your kind of vibe, definitely आइए यहाँ पे. For us, we're heading back. Typical Kasol cafe. That's the interiors. Let me just show you interiors. How it is. Those are brownies. That is how the vibe is over here. Quite a trippy vibe. And we are sitting here amongst the pahad. There's nothing there. There's nothing there to get scared. Nothing there to get scared. Look at Parimal munching away. So we are back at where we started the bridge. And I think this is highly skippable. क्या बोलते हैं? Skip मार सकते हो यार, इतना खास नहीं है. अगर आपको वो सब करने में मज़ा आता है, go for it. वो तो है. देना तो पड़ेगा.
उनको तो अच्छा ही देना पड़ेगा
It's the Kasol market. Oof. Beautiful. So pretty, man. Check out the view. Beautiful. Turning around. There was no need to laugh. There's no need to laugh.
Should I record? No.
सर ये डिक्की थोड़ा सा बंद कर दीजिए पूरा मिट्टी अंदर घुसेगा